Good evening, sir. I am Mark Descara, BS Criminology Second Year and Eastern Philippine University. Now, I will discuss how to collect the evidence, handling, and transportation. Number 1. General rules for collection and preservation of biological material. There is example of biological material. Number 2. Collection and preservation of blood. This example. Number 3, collection and preservation of semen and saliva. Number 4, collection and preservation of urine. Number 5, collection and preservation of body fluids. Number 6, collection and preservation of fibers. Number 7, collection and preservation of hair and example of hair. Number 8, collection and preservation of fingerprints. Example. Number 9, collection and preservation of articles of clothing. Number 10, collection and preservation of gelatin, footwear, and clothing. Number 11, collection and preservation of visible gloves, print. 12, collection and preservation of soil. And number 13, collection and preservation of tool marks. Number 14, collection and preservation of glass. Number 15, collection and preservation of paint. Paint is pintura. Collection and preservation of materials from fire seals. It means mga nasunugan. Number 17, collection preservation of materials from explosion. Ibig sabihin yung mga pagsabog. Yan ang pagsabog. Number 18, collection and preservation of firearms. Tapos, gun. Number 19, collection and preservation of documents. 20, collection and preservation of computers and peripheral devices. Second, I will discuss the definition of the following. Number 1, crime scene. Number 2, legal medicine. Number 3, investigation, autopsy, and number 5, first responder. For number 1, crime scenes. A crime scene is any location associated with a committed crime. It contains physical evidence that is crucial for criminal investigation. This evidence is collected by crime and scenes investigator and law enforcement. The location can be place where the crime occurred or any area containing evidence related to crime. And here the example of crime scenes. And second one, legal medicine. Legal medicine is also known as forensic medicine. It's specialized field bridge the gap between medicine and law. It involves applying medical knowledge and expertise to legal issues and proceedings. We have an example of legal medicine. And the third one, an investigation, is a systematic and throughout examination of a situation, event, or allegation to discover the truth, gather the evidence. It involves gathering information, analyzing data, and drawing conclusions. And this example number 4, an autopsy, also known as post-mortem examination, is a medical procedure involving a thorough examination of a deceased person's body. It's performed by a specialized medical doctor called a pathologist. There's an example of autopsy. And the last one is first responder. A first responder is a person who is among the first to arrive at the scenes of an emergency, such as an accident or disaster, to provide immediate. This is an example of first responder. And that's all. Thank you and God bless. I hope you like my discussion.